8 of 10 screw adjuster. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the units millimeter. Enter the name. Screw adjuster. Click OK. Now type cylinder. Select axis diameter and height. Enter the diameter 14 mm. Height of 3 mm. Click OK. Type cylinder. Type the diameter 6 mm. And type the height 6 mm. Select unite from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Now select chamfer. Enter 0.5 into 45 degree. Select these two edges. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File. Close. All parts. This completes code E for 8 of 10 screw adjuster.